Hello friends, thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. I hope you are will fine. So guys, today I will discuss about developing your own website, the why and how, part 1. So guys, let's start our video. Content, domain and hosting. We talk a lot about traffic and how you can increase it, funnel it and monetize it, but it might seem like running before learning how to work, especially if you are just getting started. In this next article series, we'll go through the different steps required to build a website, and it outlines my personal recommendations for each step. Step number 1: why I build your own website. Sure, Tumblr and a free hosted WordPress and provide you with a good publishing platform. However, nothing will ever compare to owning your own website. Your website, your rules. Think of it as rating various owning. A rating can be good as you'll probably pay less and you might not even have to mow the lawn. On the other hand, if you own, you'll have a lawn of your very own to do whatever you want with. You can install a pool, a garden game, gnomes, or even a marble of your naked self. If you really wanted to, hopefully you're getting the point by now. It might be a little more complicated than creating a new Tumblr, but rest assured that the resulting possibilities are totally worth it. Brainstorm before you start. Make sure you know what your website will be about. If possible, have some content ready before you start developing it. Creating a website as an empty shell can have some appre- predictable results. When the final content is instead instead plan in detail the structure of your website according to your needs and the convention you believe would be a best fit, such as creating a contact or about page. Keep in mind that your website should be organized in a way that your content is displayed in the best possible way for your user. Bill, Bill Gates once said, your content is the heart and span of your website. Make sure to know what is it is and then build your website around it. The website should also reflect your brand's personality. If you don't have a brand personality just yet, don't worry. We'll cover the process of developing a brand in an upcoming tutorials. So guys, pick a name by the domains. What your name? Pick a relevant name related to your business and content is paramount. In fact, a good name is important because it sparks the user interest and help propel your brand to new mediums on that internet and beyond. If you are not sure what domain name you should choose, check out your real competitors names. Ask yourself, can you to do can you do better? A more target and memorable name can even help you win some traffic over your competitor. So guys, end this video today here. So guys, don't forget subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye and take care.